So we want to go back and rewrite that. So we want to erase the right side limits, because in order to show no vertical asymptote, we need to show the two-sided limits. Okay, but often case, if the function has one expression, it's not a piecewise function. If the one side limits, you get a number, and the other side, you will have the same number as well. So you just go back and erase the positive, then it becomes a two-sided limit. Alright, so let's continue with our previous example. So here, first of all, we want to compute x goes to 0 from the right. And which function do we want to plug in? Do we want to plug in the original expression, or do we want to plug in the factored one? Yes, we plug in the factored one. So here, what do we get? X minus 2, x minus 3, x squared, x plus 4. So now we can do the cancellation. We cancel one of the x, but we still have an x in the denominator, right? So we have x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 4. Okay, now we're ready. So when we plug in 0, we get -2 times -3, 0 plus times 4. So you can see constant over 0 plus or minus, it's going to give us infinity. But how many negative are there? 2 negative give us positive infinity. Okay, on the other hand, x goes to -4 from the right. And let's copy one more time. Okay, and we can also cancel the x here. And then we get x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 4. Alright, so when we plug in, -4, -4 minus 2, -6. -4 minus 3, -7. -4 here is 0 plus. Okay. Minus 3, negative give us negative. So we have negative infinity. So that's why the vertical asymptotes are x equals 0 and x equals -4. This is the complete proof. So far, so good, everybody? So remember, even though after you do the cancellation, you know, oh, okay, after you do the cancellation, whatever survive in your denominator is gonna give us vertical asymptote. But you still need to show your work. What does that mean? You're gonna find the domain. You're gonna check the limits at each point outside of your domain. Okay, if you have infinity or minus infinity, then you get vertical asymptote. If you get a number, then you have to go back and erase the positive to make sure you check the two-sided limits. So if both sides, the two-sided limits equals a number, then we don't have vertical asymptote at that point. Okay, so those are the complete steps for this kind of problem. Have a good day. Bye.